good morning. It's 5:45 on Wednesday, the 23rd of June. Getting ready for another cross-country America trip. Now last year I went from here in Talent, Oregon to Richmond, Virginia. I'm going to Virginia again this year, but first I got to go to Florida. I was hired as the announcer at Tampa Bay Downs. How'd that happen? But very excited about it, and so we're going to go 5 days again across the country. Today's drive is going to be the exact same as last year's on the first day, going from here to around Salt Lake City to Evanston, Wyoming, somewhere in that ballpark. Day 2 will be all the way through Nebraska and Wyoming. Day 3 will go to Memphis. Day 4 through Birmingham and into Georgia, and should be a short day 5 to Tampa. So all that said, 3,040 miles, and I'm ready for it. Very excited, so let's go.
Morning, San Antonio, come and get it while you can, for tomorrow I'll be gone. And my good gal sitting alone, she hollered her back, Daddy, Daddy, will you come in home?
Okay, so I'm at Doherty Slope, well, about a half mile up there, and literally the road just goes straight up the side of that cliff. There's no guardrail. It's the most terrifying road in the world, and I gotta go up it. Here we go.
Them my gals in Mississippi get along and they talk. Hell, they can recommend just like a can.
All right, we made it to the top. I don't know that the video shows how dramatic the fall off is down there. It's got to be like 2,000 or 3,000 feet. It's insane. And there's no guardrail. And last year there was no cars that came by. This year that you saw there was like 4. So I'm gonna take some breaths, and then I'm gonna go to Nevada because we're almost to the state border.
Out for me. Oh, but why won't they let me be? I'm a high-stepping papa from way down in Tennessee. Yes, I am. Why don't they let me be?
Getting out and stretching at a rest stop at the salt flats. You can see the white ground. It goes for literally miles and miles and miles of just salt. They actually have a, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. They actually have a foot wash station, so when you go out and walk in it, you can wash your feet off. All right, so the sun is setting here in Evanston, Wyoming. I think I went 845 miles today, 13 and a half hours, and I'm ready to go to sleep. So back on the road tomorrow. I'm going to go to somewhere in Nebraska, Grand Island, Kearney-ish. But appreciate everybody watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to get close to 700 subscribers. So we'd love to do that by the end of the week. And see you back on the road tomorrow.